Hello friends, on this video here you can say I cannot scroll my screen, so how you can solve your problem. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video friends. First of all, here you have to scroll down. Okay, see, I am scrolling with one finger but I cannot, and here the rectangle green colors you are going to find. Even in the apps also you are going to find this green square. So you want to remove this one, then how you can remove it? This is the talk back. Okay friends, and you have to turn off it. You just keep scrolling with two finger. You have to use two finger as I am using with two finger. Then after that, here is the setting. So tap on setting, one tap. Then after that, double tap. Then from here again, from this one also you have to scroll down with two finger. Okay friends, when you scroll down with two fingers, here you are going to find this icon, special function. Okay, click on special function. Then after that you have to tap on special function. When you tap on it, under the special function, again you have to scroll on the down, and the last option you are going to find is friends, accessibility. So here you have to tap on accessibility. Double tap on accessibility. After that, here is it, under the accessibility you are going to find the talkback option. So tap on talkback. Then after that, when you click on talkback, here is the use talkback. If you want to move or remove your this talkback, then here just tap on talkback. Then after that, double tap on it. Then it says tapping stop will stop talkback. So tap on stop. Then after that, double tap, and here your talkback will off. And without two finger, with one finger you can use your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.